This will be a speed test between the Huawei P30 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now the P30 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980 and 6 gigs of RAM. Galaxy S10 Plus, this one is the ceramic white version with 8 gigs of RAM and a Snapdragon 855, both on their latest software. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Now I'm gonna give the boot up win to the Huawei P30 Pro. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. P30, messages. Very close, but I think that was the P30 by a tad. The camera. We'll do it like this, and let's go. Dead heat. Clock on both phones. Very close. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. The Huawei browser and the Samsung browser. Go. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. We'll click on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, maybe the S10 Plus. This ad came up first. Go ahead and scroll to the bottom. And we'll click on the desktop version. Looking at the progress bar up top. And very close. Ooh, maybe the P30 Pro on this. This ad came up first. We'll go ahead and pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on the S10 Plus. And do the same thing on the P30 Pro. A little slow initially, but nice and smooth. We'll do it at the same time. There you go. We'll leave both on this page. Calculator on both. Identical, maybe the P30 by a tad. Play Store. Dead heat. Look for my favorite app. I don't see it. Where's TikTok? I do not see TikTok. The annoying TikTok app. I don't see it. Where'd it go? Oh no, I don't see it. Well, we'll just click on any app. We'll click on these two and leave it there. Amazon shopping. Oh, very close. Maybe the S10 Plus. Negligible difference. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Ooh, maybe the P30 Pro on that. We'll go ahead and click on this iPhone 10. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Oh, and give this to the P30. Tap to begin. Oh, but the S10 was actually a little bit faster running the game. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Oh, so close. I'm gonna let this run. See which one is faster. And give the edge to the P30 Pro. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Ooh, S10 Plus is ahead. Will the P30 catch up? No, it does not, and give the win to the Samsung Knight on this. Asphalt 9. Oh, Huawei's ahead. Will the S10 Plus catch up? Oh, and give the win to the P30 on this. PUBG. Ooh, very close. Oh man, this might be a draw. I don't know which one's gonna take this. Oh, and give the win to the P30. Very close though. Not that big of a difference really. Adobe Photoshop Express. Both phones have this 8K image. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this charm. And I'm gonna choose Charm 1 on both. And I'm gonna apply this filter to the max. Click on export on the S10 and click on the share on the Huawei. And as you can see, 5460 by 8192 pixels. I'm gonna save to the gallery and I'm gonna see which phone will do this faster. And let's go. Which one? Oh, and give the win to the S10 Plus on this. Twitter, S10, Instagram, Dead Heat, Snapchat, P30 Pro. A lot of back and forth here, very nice. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now the S10 does have a 2 gigs of RAM advantage, 8 gigs of RAM on this versus 6 on the P30 Pro. But let's just see what happens. And we'll go through these apps again. Photoshop, still there. PUBG, same place on both. Asphalt 9, good to go. Angry Birds 2. Oh, we have a reload on the P30. S10, kept that in RAM. Now that might be the difference between the 8 gigs versus 6 gigs of RAM. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on the right, and this is a reload on the P30. Super Mario Run. Mario time on both, good to go. eBay. And ooh, a reload here on the left. Amazon, and a little bit slow on the left. I think that was a reload actually. Same place on the Play Store on both. Calculator, same place. The browsers, and a little bit faster on the S10. Clock, both are still running in the background. Camera, there you go. Messages, a little bit faster on the left. And the phone app, Dead Heat, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Huawei fan? Do you like Huawei phones? Do you have yourself this brand new Huawei P30 or P30 Pro? Are you rocking a Huawei Mate 20 from last year? Or do you have the Honor View 20 that came out earlier this year? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus? Do you have yourself a Galaxy Note 9? Did you pre-order the Galaxy Fold? Looking forward to that phone myself. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.